Did you know a burglary or a home invasion happens every 10 seconds?
Who is it?
Hi, I'm selling candy for my school.
Don't open the door. Instead, get the all-new CellNock. Now you can see who's at your door with your cell phone.
Who is it?
Hi, my name is Andy.
Are you all alone?
I don't know who you are, but I'm going to call the police.
Now you can answer the door no matter where you are.
Who is it?
Hi, I have a package for Mrs. Smith.
I'm not home now. Can you please leave it with my neighbor next door?
Answer your door from anywhere. From bed.
Hello?
Your car.
Hey, John.
The all-new CellNock. Convenience, privacy, security, and peace of mind.